This is our 4th axis stabilizer. For cameras like IdolCam with the 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Osmo 3-axis gimbal, and GoPro, the EIS stabilization, they can't compensate for the 4th axis, the up and down. The camera mounts up here, so while you're walking, this device will reduce the up and down motion. You see how it can go up and down? And when you don't need it, you could just use it as a handle. So the camera mounts up here. So there's a dial here that you could adjust the tension of this arm. And then we also have 5 different settings here. Typically it's set to number 2 for IdolCam. So for anyone who's using like the lighter camera like the GoPro and the DJI, then it needs to be on either the 3rd setting, the 3rd hole, or the 2nd hole, so it have less tension. There's a Teflon washer here, and then you could control the dampening with tightening or loosening this screw right here. The goal is to have the arm resting right between both ends of the movement. So right around here, you could tighten it up a little bit by turning the dial. Okay, now it's a little bit higher. So right now we're going to test the dampening of this arm. You pull the camera down, you release it. You see how the arm is bouncing 2 to 3 times. The goal is to release it and then bounce 1 time to the top, and then that would be perfect. So right now we need to tighten up this screw right here so it will only bounce once. So we just tighten up the screw right here, and we're gonna do the bounce test again. You release it, you see how it just goes up 1 time. So that's perfect. So now we have a nicely tuned 4th axis.